9 sports cars on Samples Road going up to Highway 20. He's at a high rate of speed taking off on me. I can't get a tag yet. Stand by. Sorry, Samples Road and Highway 20 taking a ride on the Beaufort Highway. Violation will be speeding and failure to dim lights. Turning south on the 400 ready. I'm setting 12 with this. Southbound from 14. Alright, it's a white Nissan GTR. That's what it looks like. I'm getting on 14. He's busting me right now, but you can get the spikes on him. He's coming to you now. I'm losing sight of him. He's southbound, passing Billy Howe now. He's probably at about 120, so be careful. It's not worth it if you can't safely do it.
Catching up to you. I'm following the 2 minutes you. I see you got behind you. Check lane, still light traffic, speed to 143.
Spikes and shallow, spikes and shallow.
Looks like he's in the fast lane right now. He just switched to the slow lane. He's in the slow lane right now. Coming up to Shiloh Road.
Put spikes, put spikes.
The spikes pulled back. You're getting off at McFarland. Off at McFarland. Clear. Off McFarland.
5221. Is it a white BMW? I got him. He's going left to McFarland toward Ronald Reagan. TEV is the first 3 on tag. Going toward the Halcyon. Coming up to Ronald Reagan right now. Looks like we're turning right on Ronald Reagan toward Nancy Reagan. It's a white BMW.
41 behind you, I'll call it. Radio clear right on Ronald Reagan. Still on south on Ronald Reagan, towards Nancy Reagan. Chasing 90, no traffic. Going up on Mechanic Ferry. Clear for us again. Anybody in the area? He's slowing down now. He's about 80. Going up to Union Hill. If we're taking a right on Union Hill. Stay right on Union.
Yes, looks like his front tire is flat. We're going north on Union Hill toward McFarland again, guys.
31, I'm coming intercept right there at Union Hill.
Left on Tidwell, left on Tidwell.
Clear left Tidwell.
Get your hands out of the car right now! We got a pit, we got a pit.